bad. We haven't even had it back this bad in England.
Thunder in Spain. No, I mean lightning.
Probably 20 minutes, isn't it?
Thunder and lightning is
Occurring in Spain.
yeah.
We've got 20 minutes now.
20 minutes till what?
No, this has been going on 20 minutes.
Oh,
Oh,
whoa!
see the
I
fork
saw
lightning?
that fork lightning.
Yeah.
Yo.
Where is it over there?
Yeah. Yo, that was crazy. There it was up there.
I want to catch some, man.
Did you see that, Dad?
Yeah.
It was up there. This has gone on for 20 minutes. Lightning has, but the rain's been all day.
Not this heavy now.
No, it's only...
We were able to walk out, weren't we, this afternoon?
I'll be surprised if we don't flood.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Whoa! Whoa! Did you see that fork lightning? I got fork lightning on camera.
Dad, get your phone.
Yo, this
No,
is
Place.
legit.
Where's place then?
This is legit.
Whoa, look at that one.
I saw
Whoa!
that
See
one.
it
I
right
saw
in
that
front.
one.
Whoa!
Oh, that was right there.
I don't know if I caught that on camera. Literally, if I got that on camera, I think. Oh. Yo, you know this is going on YouTube.
Look at that.
Oh, listen to that thunder. Up there.
See if we're high above, we'll get a better view.
Yeah, I know.
Come on, let's all go to Dad's.
We're all going up to Dad's.
Dad,
Joe, are you supposed to record?
I am
I
recording.
know.
If you go in the same place each time, you'd be alright, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, but keep it moving. Oh, my arms.
I really need a wee, but I can't go.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Nice, Lily. This is going on YouTube.
We're kidding you.
I got that.
This is going on YouTube.
Oh, police. Police are there. You can see. Police driving slowly. Oh, you can see the lead.
I've never seen this bad.
Proper.
No?
Proper, isn't it?
Yeah. Never seen this.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
There comes the rain again.
Here comes the rain again.
If you can hear, if you can't hear that, turn your volume all the way up. The rain is pouring down.
There's a rain coming through the tablet.
Yeah.
I think you can see.
Look at that.
Ooh. Listen to this. No. Turn your volume all the way up. You can't hear it. Literally thundering and lightning really bad, and even raining
Pretty bad over there.
Yeah, look.
super bad. Really, really bad. We might even have this tomorrow. It's forecast 77% rain.
Oh, I'll go in the back.
There you go.
You'll be in the back.
Dad, I'm FaceTime a squirrel.
So yeah, that was the end of my video. Thank you for watching, and see you.